In this video, I'll show you how to create and use webhooks on your Discord server. Webhooks are useful for automatically sending messages, like posting your YouTube videos or creating custom embedded messages. First, open Discord on your computer. Webhooks are not available on the mobile app, so make sure you're using the desktop version. Now go to your server and click on Server Settings in the top left corner. Next, click on Integrations, then select Webhooks. Click on Create Webhook. Here, you can customize your webhook. Give it a name, choose a profile picture, and select the channel where messages will be sent. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now copy the webhook URL. This link is what you'll use to send messages to your Discord channel. To test it, you can use any webhook tool or website. Paste your webhook URL, type a message, and send it. You'll see the message appear in your selected Discord channel, sent by the webhook. You can also create embedded messages by adding custom text, titles, or colors using webhook tools. That's it. Now you know how to create and use webhooks on your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.